What's up guys, it's Nely Natural, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a DIY hibiscus aloe vera hair gel. This gel left my curls feeling super shiny and moisturized. The aloe vera in this hair recipe helps with scalp health, it's high in proteolytic enzymes, and it prevents dandruff, while the hibiscus in this recipe promotes growth, adds shine, and promotes curl health. Hibiscus also reduces hair frizz, and combined with aloe vera, it makes the perfect hair gel for curly hair. If you want to know how to make this awesome DIY, then keep on watching and make sure you stick around for the rest of this video to know exactly how to make it. The first step in this hair recipe is to prepare the aloe vera gel. You want to start off by cutting the aloe vera leaf vertically along the length of the leaf. Once you cut your aloe vera pieces off, then make sure to cut the edges of each aloe vera piece. The edges of the aloe vera tend to have spikes which can poke you if you're not careful, so it's best to just cut them off. After you cut off the edges, make sure to cut each aloe vera piece in half so that way you have easier access to the gel that's in the middle of each aloe vera piece. This gel right here is where most of the amazing nutrients that are present in the aloe vera are. Even applying it to my hair straight from the leaf, I've noticed amazing differences in my curls. Next, you want to cut the gel from the aloe vera leaf into a bowl. Scrape the remaining gel from the leaf into the bowl as well. Repeat the same process for each piece of aloe vera that you have. Here's about how much aloe vera gel I was able to obtain from the aloe vera pieces I had in the beginning. Now, to get an even slimier consistency, just place the aloe vera in a food chopper so that way the bigger pieces can become smaller and the gel can strain more easily from them. Once it's all in, just begin chopping it up for about 1 minute. Now just strain the aloe vera gel from the bigger pieces. You can stir the aloe vera in the colander so that way it can more easily pass through. Here's what it should be looking like once it's all strained. Now it's time to make the hibiscus oil. Place about 1 tablespoon of hibiscus powder into a medium-sized pan. Set the stove to medium heat, then add about 1/4 cup of grapeseed oil into the hibiscus powder. Stir the grapeseed oil so that way all the powder is thoroughly covered. Let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes on medium heat. Make sure that the oil does not come to a boil. Once the oil's done, let the hibiscus powder sit in it overnight. Now just strain the hibiscus oil from the leftover powder. To make the hibiscus aloe hair gel, just simply add the hibiscus oil into the aloe vera gel that we made previously. Mix it in thoroughly, and now you have your aloe vera hibiscus hair growth gel. This is what the final result should be looking like. It's a slimy jelly-like consistency that'll glide easily onto the curls. Transfer it into a jar or applicator bottle for easier application to the hair. Now here is the application process of this aloe vera hibiscus hair gel. You want to make sure that you're starting on clean, freshly washed hair. For even distribution of the hair gel, make sure to section your curls and then apply some throughout each section. If the gel is left out in room temperature, it will turn into a bit of a liquidy texture, so to combat that, just add it into the fridge for about 15 to 30 minutes and it'll be right back to that jelly-like texture. But right now, I'm just using it as the liquidy texture and it still has the same effect as it would if it were the jelly-like texture. So I'm just making sure to apply it throughout each section and then massage it in. And as I'm applying it, it's adding more shine to my curls and it's actually helping to detangle them at the same time. Here are my finished wet results using this hair gel. My curls are looking full and shiny and bouncy. I also love how moisturized my curls are feeling. Once I let my hair dry, I'm going to show you guys the finished dry results. And here they are, the finished dry results using the aloe vera hibiscus hair gel. I do have some shrinkage, but that's okay. That just means that your hair is healthy. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys like the results of this gel? Let me know in the comments down below. As always guys, make sure to test patch before applying any DIY to your curls. Pause this video so that way you can read how to test patch. Thank you guys so much for watching and I really hope you guys have a great rest of your day and a great rest of your week.